Just 3 years back, I did not used to be so excited about Huawei's flagships, but now I do, and this is how Huawei has evolved as a brand. The Mate 20 Pro was my innovator smartphone of 2018, and similarly, the P30 Pro made headlines with its triple cameras and the DXoMark ratings, which left people to thinking what would Huawei bring next. And now it's just time for the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro to arrive. Honestly, I think both the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro are going to be massive, and it's not just because of the cameras. And lately, so many rumors have been surfacing that I thought, why not tell you what are my thoughts on the Huawei's new P lineup. So let's get started. Starting with the design, I think it's going to be a refined mix of the Huawei P20 Pro and the Mate 20 Pro. And noting the fact that both the devices had very attractive designs, the upcoming Huawei flagship may even flaunt a better design. And if you inspect Huawei's flagships, they have not increased so much in size as to keep the design as ergonomic as possible. I mean, look at the Mate 20 Pro. It is large, but it is easy to hold, and hopefully Huawei will not change that. Performance-wise, it's not going to change much. It is going to be the same power-efficient Kirin 980 powering both the P30 and P30 Pro, and we can expect the same fast performance as the Mate 20 Pro. And when I reviewed the Mate 20 Pro, I had nothing to complain about, so I think that will continue. But I don't think we're looking at an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor here just like the Galaxy S10 Plus. I think it's going to be an optical one just like the Mate 20 Pro. But the company may change the position of the sensor as to place it a little lower, because we had heard criticisms from many people regarding the placement. That is not something that would make a huge difference though. Okay, so many leaks have also followed to tell us that the display this time is going to be Samsung's OLED, so we may be looking at a much improved display here. Also, the screen is rumored to be the earpiece, making the screen vibrate to produce sound, acting as a loudspeaker. The only thing I wish wasn't there on the P30 Pro is a pop-up selfie camera, which there are no rumors of, by the way. I just wish it's not there. There are rumors of a dewdrop notch coming in the display and totally ditching the IR sensor for facial recognition. And having used the Vivo V15 Pro, I think a dewdrop notch will do for me. Now jumping to the cameras, essentially it's going to be the USP of the phone like always, and this time it's rumored to be a quad camera setup at the back. The primary 40 megapixel sensor, a 20 megapixel telephoto lens with a whopping 10x zoom. The third one is said to be an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and the fourth one will be a 3D TOF sensor. The lower variant P30 will not have a 3D sensor. But what I am also curious to see is how the device will improve on the selfie front, because the former Huawei flagships did not impress so much on the selfie front. Hopefully this time the 32 megapixel selfie camera at the front will be as impressive as other flagships. Likewise, rumors also tell us that both the phones will have a very improved night mode or low light capabilities and an interesting dual view feature. This feature essentially splits the screen into two while recording a video and shows you a zoomed in view and a wide angle video being captured by two different cameras. One thing the Mate 20 Pro nailed was the battery. A huge 4200 mAh battery with FHD plus screen resolution and a power-efficient chipset impressed us to the core, and this time I'm hoping for better, or even if you ask me, the best. And they also have their supercharge feature to back it up, so this might be the go-to phone for insane battery life. And I think they're going to chip in a faster reverse charging feature compared to the slower one on the Mate 20 Pro. So as far as the rumors follow, the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro seem exciting, and I think it's going to compete with other flagships out there, especially in the cameras and battery. Also, Huawei opting for Samsung's OLED display is a good move, considering Huawei did not have the best of displays when compared to other flagships. So that's all for the P30 Pro's quick look at the rumors. It's launching on Tuesday, and I cannot wait to make some comparison videos between the P30 Pro and the S10 Plus that I am currently using. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Till then, I'm Pratima Adhikari, and see you in the next one.